G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and what I've got here is our super glue range. Now I've shown you this range before, but we've been asked to show it again because people want to see it. So I'm going to run through the different products we have in the super glue, or as we call it, our Superfast Glue range. So first off, I've got the super glue gel. This is one of my favourites because it does stick a lot of other products that normal super glue won't. But it's in a gel form. So if we're using it overhead or down our side, it won't run, it'll stay. So it's very good like that. Then we have here our normal Superfast Glue in a 20 gram bottle. It's one of our customers' most favourite products, and it's in our top 10 sales in Australia. So again, we have what we call our DOS type bottle. So it's a one-handed operation. I can just open it up like that. And the more I open it, the more product it'll come out. And I can apply the product and then I can close it off. Always give the tip a little wipe afterwards just so the super glue doesn't stick over the top. The next one is the same super glue. These are identical products inside. This is just a 30 gram bottle with a lever on the side. It actually helps you control the amount of product you get out a lot easier and better. So I do like that bottle. This one here is our Super Glue Flex. So Super Glue Flex is exactly what it says, it flexes. So this was designed for fixing door rubbers and things on your car where the rubber will split and break away. So normal super glue doesn't have any flex in it, but this does. And it comes in a black colour where all the other ones are clear. And the last little bottle I have here is our Super GluePlasto Bond. Now this one is for products that normal super glue won't fix. We've all tried to glue things, I'm sure, at home with super glue, and we've put it together and it just hasn't worked, it hasn't held. And that's because of the type of product you're trying to stick together. So our Plasto Bond fixes that problem and it glues the products that normal super glue won't. More often than not, you do need to use an activator, which we have, to glue those products together. And we also, lastly, have an activator for our super glue. Now the activator, what that does is it just sets the super glue off much, much faster. So let's have a look how the activator works and how the super glue works. Now I've got a brick here, normal house brick, and I've got a rubber O-ring. So I'm going to use the gel today, but I could use the normal super glue as well. So if I just put a drop onto the end of each of those, and then get the activator and just spray it on the edge of the brick like so. Then I place the super glue down. So I'll count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you go. The super glue has activated extremely fast. I can also use our normal super glue just to glue 2 nuts together. So just a drop of super glue, squeeze them together, and they're now bonded tight. If you have any questions on our super glue range, please leave your questions in the comments section. Don't forget to like our page, and we'll see you next time for more quality products from Wurth.